Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey C-Fam, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cycy, episode 3. If you're new here, karibu sana. Kama we ni yule, endelea kwa yule. And on today's episode, we are making traditional uji. Imagine, yani, when mnapenda uji, kwanza, hey, I think I should do a story time on this because, uji, nimepitia sana na uji. So yeah, on today's ingredients, we have traditional unga, vile mnaona hapa. My hands are clean, so hii unga si zile the normal one, that's why we are calling it the traditional unga. And then here we have water, and then we have the bowl enye tutaweka uji yetu after mixing. So what we are going to do is this: we are going to take our traditional unga, and then the water that you saw, we are going to put this water inside, and then we are going to mix it. Sasa sindio, kujeni tu add your step, come see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this water to mix hapa vizuri hadi form kama kale kama sijui tunaweza ita aje. Yes, and then put that on aside. Now kazi iko hapa, unagongelea hii hadi inakuwa like the normal unga. Sasa ikae kama matope imemix ndani. Unaona zile matope za machakos? Hizo mix hapa ndani hadi ikuwe something that can mix in water. So as we want to do this, we are going to put our water first ya kuboil on this other side. So let's put some water in our boiling pot. So tutawasha moto yetu vizuri. There we go. Then tuweke sufuria placement vizuri. We take our water, tuweke maji pole pole. Now we wait for it to boil as we continue with the process of mixing this unga ya traditional. As the water continues to boil, sisi tuko huku tunafanya mambo yetu. We are mixing this very very well. Let me tell you, in our school, Moi Girls School Nairobi, hey, my friends na uji, ungejaribu kukunywa uji yao wangepigana na wewe. Na me, the funny thing, I've never loved uji. I don't know why, but najaribungu kipenda. I loved it at some point, nikaacha, but enye sipendangi is the white one, but this one, the traditional one, is very sweet. So you see, yo kanini, hizo maballs zinaanza kuenda, now inakuwa soft. So you just mix it vizuri. Mix it vizuri, pole bila stress. Now you can see it mix up very well, inakaa tu cerelac. Yeah, so acha tuangalie kama the water is ready. So now as you can see, the water has boiled vizuri. So now the next step is putting our liquid mixture inside the boiling pot. Pole usichomeke mwenzangu. Mdau, hatutaki kulose one of our CFAM members. Nawapenda sana. Kama kawaida, hakuna kuacha the rest. Unachukua maji ingine unaongeza kidogo, ikunywe hii yote. Traditional unga is very expensive, so hatutaki mchezo hapa. Hata unga yenye ni cheap bado usiache. So we need like that, tuongeze hapo. Now tumefika sasa process next. The next thing we are going to do is to do this. Unakoroga tu pole hadi you start seeing the mixture ikikuwa thick. Sasa inakaa maji, but by the time I'll be done itakuwa thick hata utaamini mwenzangu. Utaamini. Remember, this is out of that balls zenye tulikuwa nazo before. Najua hata videographer hapo nyuma na learn. Tutaenda kupikia mama yake. As we wait, you add your sugar. For those who love using sugar, kuna watu wengine hawapendi sugar, so it's an option for you. Add your sugar kidogo. Yeah, like that. Then you continue with the process. Trust the process. Unaona vile hii kitu ilianza ni kama haina future. This is a lesson for you to trust the process. You give it a minute kidogo ni kama boil ikirise na the ni kama it's something like the dough, but no, this is not dough. Hii sasa ni unga. Unangoja tu kidogo, and then what you're supposed to do, the first process, as when you have put the mixture, make sure you stir it. Usiache kustir. When stir hadi you find some thick mixture kamekama. So now hii nini yetu boil. You just continue the process yenye tulikuwa nayo. Just continue to stir kabisa, stir. Sisao kustir, usiache kustir. Ukiacha kustir, it will not give you the best results. So continue stirring kabisa. You can put flavor kama unataka. Naweza muweke cinnamon, it's your choice. Yeah, but when tunapenda vitu natural, you just use sugar, or you can even do without sugar. You can see now the way it's boiling. You can even see the mixture is thick now. See vile ilikuwa maji. It's thick now. Ili ukipea mtoto wako ama bwana yako ama yourself ukikunywa kwanza for breakfast with some nice mandazis, ama you can even do without. It is a very, very nice breakfast meal, or even lunch time. Unaweza kunywa pia kama utaki to spend money. Unaweza kunywa pia jioni, the way my parents do after work. Inawashika tumbo before you have your supper. As a snack, you can even do it as a snack. Najua msizoea ati snack to ni KFC. Yeah, imagine, see the way it's thick. Just see that thickness. Unaona the thickness in it right now. Very thick. Very thick. Yeah, imagine it's just that. A very easy step. As you have seen now, our traditional uji is ready. Now you just wait for it to cool down pole pole. Mnajua vile uji inachomanga watu vibaya, so you don't want to burn yourself. Just wait for a few minutes, it cool down, then you serve and have it with your nduma, your mkate, your mandazi, anything that you feel like having it with. Yeah, sasa tutapatana tukiserve ule taster wetu akiendelea na taste. So now we are serving our traditional uji. Unaona hiyo thickness, my dears? Unaona hiyo thickness? This thickness is not jokes. We've not come here to play manzi. Hii uji, ukitaka unaweza niita kwako nikupikie at a cost. Look at that. How does it look, my dear people? Look at that. Look at that. It's a celebration with uji. Now the taster is here again kama kawaida, kazi yake ni kutaste. As we have said, this is traditional uji and this is a traditional kamak. Traditionally hatukuwa na spoons, so hivi ndio tunakunywa as we taste. So sasa to taste tuambie. Unapenda aje?
Traditional uji.
Mimi I feel like on the part of sugar it's less for people who like less sugar, but for us we need to ongeza sugar because sisi hii generation yetu tunapenda sukari sana. So as we add sugar, but this will be a good one for someone with mtu mwenye hapendi sukari, like my dad doesn't love sukari, so this can be good for your dad or your mom. But for us, ama pia wewe kama upendi sukari, it's okay. But ni tamu. Ni tamu and it's thick. The thickness yenyewe ndio inaleta that traditional. We come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Na kama umeweza kufika to the end of this video, thank you so much, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your other friends. Try and make this traditional uji. It's a very nice recipe to try at home. Weekends mkiwa na familia ama during the week you can make it for your parents. Until next time, it's a wrap. Subscribe.